It's so loud. This is going on for about 20 minutes now. Just about. It's not showing up on the camera.